So this vehicle's already been washed, and as you can see, this thing is ceramic coated with tray from the Hyperclean Ceramics line, which is their 3 to 5 year single layer coating. And we're going to be using the new Hyperclean SLIQ, the perfect silica spray. So very happy with this stuff so far. I've been using it as a drying aid mostly, but I have heard of people using it for door panels. It's virtually streak free, even on hot panels. I did it out in the middle of the sun to kind of take out any little smears and water smears on a panel and stuff, and everything was coming out. So I use it primarily as a drying aid. Just kind of mist it on, and you can see it starts to pull some of the water, push the water off the panel. And then you come in with your twist weave drying towel. This is a Max Shine one of their newer. I think it's their purple duo that they have, but they came out with a smaller version, which I ended up buying the newer one. But as you can see, this stuff just like all done. And then because the car's coated, there's not that much water on here. There's really just a couple little beads here and there. If he was, this is where it happened when he got rained on and he's driving, wow, this is gonna come off, but it's an easy way to add protection. Obviously slickness. The product is called Sliq, and as you can see, it's extreme gloss. This stuff is like, ooh, super shiny. So I'm just gonna kind of go through, dry up any panels. Now this stuff does come ready to use. You can get it in 16 or gallon sizes. What I would recommend is buy the 16 ounce just to have something to fill it in, and then get the gallon and refill from there. So you don't have to keep figuring out labeling bottles and stuff. You already got a bottle with a label on it, you know what it is. I've already used, this is on my second time I filled this up. So I have another car that I take care of, and then I've been using it on my personal car, my truck, actually quite a bit, and it's crazy. I got a lot of compliments. I mean, I got compliments before, but I don't know, something about this stuff, it just, maybe it's adds that little extra pop. But I mean, you can even do the roof here. Open this up and just drag. Do it on the windshield as well to maintenance glass coating that's on here. And it's, yeah, I got like pretty much streak free even on windows. I've tried to get it to streak on like some of the hot panels, and if you put too much on, let it sit, obviously, but if you're sitting there actually working the product, you shouldn't have any problems. Oh, what is that? Who did this? Oh, of course it's under the door.